Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Ramiz and you're watching Flutter Fluency. So today we are going to talk about components. So how we can create components and what are the purpose of creating components and what are the difference between pages and components. So basically if you click on this button, so you can see that you can either create a new page or you can create a component. Okay. So what are the difference between pages and components? So basically pages are some kind of uh, the blank screen where you can create your page and link to each other. But so page is basically a superset and your component is your subset. Okay. So on a single page we can contain multiple components. Okay. So if this create component, because this is a best practice to use components in our application. So let's suppose I have created, if you have seen that video of app bar, so I have created this component, this widget, in which I have created a app bar, but I want to use this app bar on any other pages. So what I need to do, I need to copy this code and paste it into the other page to use this code into various other pages. But this is not a best way, because in future if I want to change the color of this app bar, and when I want to change from pink to red color, so I need to go to all of the pages where I have used this app bar to use the red color. But if we are going to use component instead, so we can simply change the color of a component and it will change everywhere where we have used this component. Okay. So let's suppose you have created one widget. Okay. Combination of different widgets, and now you have a one widget which is basically a stack widget. So the my stack widget contain these all of these things. So I want to use these things into my other pages as well. So how can I do this thing? So I can simply right click on it, and if I go down, so you can see that convert to component. If I click on convert to component, you will not be able to see any change on this page. Let's see, convert to component, and the name is app bar. Create component, name is already exists, so maybe we can say that custom app bar. Create component, so you can see that the component is created, and if I go back to my custom app bar page, so you can see that you don't see any change. But now you can't edit home or any other widget directly from the app bar page, because here we see the image of our component. But if you want to change this component, so you can double click on it and you will be navigated towards a separate component. So this diamond symbol is basically for component. So you can change it from here. Let's suppose home page, and if you go back, so you will be able to see that the name is changed now. And now you can simply use this your component multiple times. So let's suppose if you want to use it again into this page, so let's see, you can simply click here. You need to go to components, and here you can simply select a custom app bar. When you select this custom app bar, so you can see that you don't need to add the code again. You simply add a custom app bar and it's duplicated. Now you can see that you can simply control D this thing, and here you can see custom app bar, not any changes. If I double click on it and change the home page to home only, and if I go back, now you can see that every component name is changed. Similarly, if I change the color from pink to, let's suppose, red, okay, and go back, so you can see that every component color is changed. No matter on which page I am, the color is now changed. Okay. So that's how we do the things using components. Another thing is that within the component you can also pass specific parameter. Let's suppose you don't want to show the name home on each app bar. You want that wherever I want to use this app bar, I must pass my own name. Maybe if I'm gonna use this app bar into the home page, so I'm gonna pass home. If the name would be maybe a user profile, so the name I'm gonna pass is user profile. So how you can achieve this thing? So you can simply add a component parameter. In the previous videos I have talked about page parameter. Now I'm talking about component parameter. It's the same thing we have discussed in a page parameter. So you can simply click on it, add parameter. Maybe you can say title, and this should be string required confirm. Now instead of home, you can simply pass your title and you are gonna say the default value. You can assign a default value, maybe you can say space and confirm. So now title would be there. Maybe we can say the default value is default. Okay, and now confirm. So you can see that we have one error because we have used this component into our home page. Oh sorry, not the home page, but the custom app bar page, but we have not passed the page parameter. If I click on the component and I go down, so you can see that title is required, which is unset. So I'm gonna pass home. So you can see that when I pass home, so it's quickly changed based upon my title. So you can see that's how you can change these things. Okay, so let's suppose I want to use this app bar into another page. Okay, so maybe the second page is this, and I don't want to use this app bar. Instead I'm gonna use my own app bar, which is custom app bar. I'm gonna use this app bar, and let's move it up, and now let's make it side by side. And okay, that's great. Okay, sorry, now I'm gonna do this thing. And okay, so now you can see that when I add another custom app bar, so the default value is there and it's showing an error because I have not set the value. So here for this page, maybe I can say that page 2. Okay, so I have assigned the value of page 2 here, but if I go back to my custom app bar, so here we have a home page. So that's how we can create a component easily. So it's better to use components because it support reusability. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you into the next video.